you'll be developing that core strength. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my face before, my name is Jam and welcome. I hope you subscribe and join all the fun. So today's video, I am going to be answering some of your questions that I have gathered here. So I have my notes here so I can read all your questions. I have like a few questions to answer, so I think this would be a quick video, but if you want me to do more like Q&As, just let me know in the comment section. And if you are not subscribed yet, feel free to subscribe. Alright, before we start, I just want to put out a disclaimer, as always. I am not a personal trainer, I am not a fitness professional, I am not an expert, but I am here as a friend talking about my personal experience, how I'm figuring out what works for me. So yeah, what works for me might not work for you, and what works for you might not work for me. So, alright, now we can start. First question is, how does your workout routine look like? My current routine has changed and it hasn't been really that consistent because of work, pandemic and stuff, you know. My regular routine was going to the gym 3 to 4 times a week, but all gyms are closed at the moment, at least here in Metro Manila, and it has been for a while now, and that is kind of depressing, to be honest. But so I have been back to doing home workouts with my one set of dumbbells. Sometimes we've got to work on what we have, right? So yeah, I currently train 3 to 4 times a week, alternating upper body and lower body workouts. One thing I added to my routine though is my daily stretch, sometimes meditation, and daily practice of gratitude, which I do first thing in the morning when I wake up, and it just sets me up for the day. Number 2 question, or second question, do you have macros? What's your current weight? I am currently 55 kg, sometimes 54. Weight always fluctuates, so don't always rely on the scale. It's not always a reliable measurement of your progress. I used to track my calories and macros using MyFitnessPal app. I don't follow a specific diet and I don't restrict myself too much. I don't remove any food groups in my diet, just a balance of carbs, proteins, and fats. I think I just got used to like tracking them before, that I kind of learned how to like estimate my food intake, but also because I got lazy. And what worked before doesn't mean it will always work. We are constantly changing, so if you're just starting out though, I think tracking can be a good guide, just don't get obsessed. Just try to not get obsessed. Alright, question number 3. How do you get muscle definition? How to get defined abs? Kind of like 2 questions here. I've learned that it's a combination of 3 things: nutrition, exercise, and consistency. When I was starting out, I started seeing results when I was in a caloric deficit. I was basically burning more calories than consuming them. You can be in a caloric deficit by consuming less food or being more active, or can be both. Please realize that we can't target fat loss. We cannot spot reduce fat. We can't choose where we lose them first. If you want some muscle definition, if you want to get defined abs, if you want to lose fat, you have to reduce the overall fat composition in our body. With those 3, nutrition, exercise, and consistency. When it comes to exercise, you can target specific muscles to develop that strength and build muscles. I hope that makes sense. For example, if you want to get defined abs, they're not gonna magically appear the next day just by doing thousands of crunches. You know, it doesn't work like that. But by doing exercise and consistently doing those crunches with proper nutrition, then you'll eventually see results. I hope that makes sense. Next question, do you do HIIT training, high intensity interval training? Yes, I do sometimes if I need to, or if I want something quick and effective. I do 20 minutes of HIIT workout, no equipment. Next question, tips for resistance training. I would say start slow, focus on your form first, quality over quantity. I feel like that's the foundation. And of course, consistency. And from there, build your strength. What's your favorite whey protein? I get my proteins from whole foods like chicken breasts, fish, eggs. I don't drink protein powders, although I kind of want to try just for like emergency situations, like when I don't really have the time to make something. What do you guys think about protein powders? Let me know in the comments. All right, so that's it. wow, that's it. Well, I guess that's it for today. Those are the only questions I saved. But yeah, again, if you want me to do more Q&A, just let me know in the comments. Before I end the video, I just want to tell you guys that it won't be easy, you know, but once you get the hang of it, you can apply it to many different areas of your life. It's not as easy as flipping the on and off switch from being lazy to consistent. Personal growth is a lifelong process. It's a long game. But remember, you'll see that the reward is worth it. But yeah, keep working on yourself, keep progressing, and do it for yourself and not for anybody else. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Some people bring you a million blessings. Yeah. All that I learned, it wasn't my turn, it wasn't the right time.